Hallo, wie geht's? This is Welsh ASMR 82. Hey, how you doing? Und in diesem Video heute Abend will ich ein bisschen Deutsch lernen. And I seem to have bookmarked where I was last time. I used this book, if you remember the video, to do numbers. 1,21 €. So I thought I'd carry on and do directions asking the way. Rechts oder links, right or left, or to the right or to the left, I think. There's a nice dialogue and a cute picture. Das Hotel Müller ist auf der linken Seite. Hotel Müller, zweite Straße links, dritte Straße rechts, zweite Straße rechts, erste Straße rechts, erste Straße links, links, rechts, geradeaus. So that's what I'm going to be learning today, I think. I really hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a like, please, and drop me a comment. Particularly if I make a mistake, I really need to know, so make sure you do correct me in the comment section. I want you to tell me I'm wrong, as a little bird sings outside. Entschuldigen Sie bitte, ja, wie komme ich zum Hotel Müller? Gehen Sie geradeaus. Geradeaus? Richtig. Nehmen Sie dann die zweite, nein, Moment, mal die dritte Straße rechts. Die zweite Straße rechts? Nein, nicht die erste und auch nicht die zweite, sondern die dritte Straße rechts. Die dritte Straße rechts. Ja, ganz richtig. Und das Hotel Müller ist auf der linken Seite. Also dritte Straße rechts auf der linken Seite. Ja, genau. Vielen Dank. Bitteschön. Viel Spaß in Berlin. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. I've been to Berlin twice. The first time I didn't like it too much, and the second time I absolutely loved it. The first time was in like 2001, I think it was. It was the day after the euro came in permanently. I was travelling around Europe, backpacking around Europe, and I just came from Rome. And yeah, we only had like a day in Berlin. But then I went back maybe about 5 years ago, and it was just wonderful. Because I don't normally go to that far east, I always sort of go to Cologne. I've been to Munich a couple of times as well. Ooh, straight into a little test, Übung. Using text 3, write German equivalents for the following sentences or phrases. Go straight ahead. So straight ahead is geradeaus, but go, gehen Sie maybe. Gehen Sie geradeaus. Ja, gehen Sie geradeaus. Have a good time in Berlin. Viel Spaß in Berlin. Take the second street on the right. Nehmen Sie die zweite Straße rechts. Nehmen Sie dann die zweite Straße rechts. Excuse me, please. Entschuldigung Sie bitte. Yes, exactly. Ja, genau. Hotel Müller is on the left-hand side. Der Hotel Müller ist auf, oh gosh, den linke Seite, genau, what was the word? Auf der linken Seite. Das Hotel Müller ist auf der linken Seite. So I need to remember that it's das Hotel and auf der linken Seite. So Seite must be feminine. Oh yeah, because it ends in an E. Die Seite. Auf der linken Seite. Okay. Not the second, but the third street. Nicht. So Straße must be feminine. Nicht die zweite, sondern, because we don't say aber here because this is a negative and a negative. So it's nicht, sondern die erste, zweite, dritte Straße. Und also dritte Straße rechts. Was Sie sagen? Ja, auch nicht die zweite, sondern die dritte Straße rechts. Yeah, die Straße, okay. Actually, you've got this Übung here, that would have been good. So masculine, thanks, danke, der Dank, Singular in German, der Moment, der Spaß, das Hotel, die Seite, die Straße, okay. Oh, I see. How do I get to Hotel Müller? What? How? Wie komme ich zum Hotel Müller? Wie komme ich zum Hotel Müller? That's right. Ja, richtig. Vielen Dank. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. Ja, vielen Dank. That's right. Ja, ganz wichtig. There are many places you might wish to find the way to. If you have the recordings, listen, in addition to reading them and then do the exercise that follows. So, this is helpful for me. Masculine, der Bahnhof, der Parkplatz, der Flughafen, der Konzertsaal, der Dom, der Hafen, der Flohmarkt, der Campingplatz, der Zoo oder der Tiergarten. Das Kino, das Theater, das Parkhaus, das Rathaus, das Krankenhaus, das Reisebüro, das Kaufhaus, das Freibad oder das Hallenbad, das Schloss, die Post, that doesn't end in an E, die Post, die Apotheke, die Jugendherberge, die U-Bahn, die Bushaltestelle, I love that word, Bushaltestelle, die Oper, die Tankstelle, die Telefonzelle, die Bank. Ah, it's die Bank. Interesting. Try guessing the meanings of some of the above words. Find German words above to match some or all of the English words below, entering the appropriate letters in the boxes. Oh, okay. So bus stop is Bushaltestelle. Town hall is Rathaus. Das Rathaus. Train station is where is train station? U-Bahn, but that's underground. Bahnhof. Camping site is Campingplatz. Cinema is Kino. And youth hostel is the Jugendherberge. Or maybe it's Herberge, because it's like from French, I don't know. Hospital is Krankenhaus. Port Einschlafen, Cathedral Dom, Kassel is Schloss, I think, and Konzertsaal. Travel agent is going to be, which one? Reisebüro, flea market. Maybe this one is the Tankstelle. I don't know the word for that otherwise. Department store. Another tricky one. Could this one be something? Let's have a think. Apotheke, bookstore, Tankstelle. The only one Kaufhaus must be das Kaufhaus. Die U-Bahn, die Post, der Parkplatz, das Theater, multi-story car park. Which one might that be? If it's not Parkplatz, die Post, die Apotheke, Bushaltestelle, Obertankstelle, Telefonzelle. I don't know that one. Parkhaus. Oh, must be Parkhaus. Compared to Parkplatz. Yeah, okay. That one. Is that the Freibad? And then Apotheke. Die Apotheke. Die Telefonzelle. Don't really have those anymore, do we? Die Bank. Der oder das. No. Die Oper. Der Tiergarten. Yeah, I think that's the right one. Okay, let's do this last one. Here are some real addresses in Berlin. What do they refer to? Read through the English descriptions and try to match them with the German addresses. Berlin's best-known monument seen on publicity material for the city. Is it the Brandenburg Bridge? Oh, that's the tower. Brandenburger Tor. Berlin's oldest building, a 13th century church. So, Nikolaikirche is a church. Oh, the Reichstag is probably the best monument. Completed in 1894, this House of Parliament was set alight in 1933. I don't know. Schloss Charlottenburg, but that's a castle. Let's come back to that one. A large lake in southwest Berlin. Wannsee. An idyllic island named after its peacocks. Fraueninsel, maybe. A modern concert hall, home of the Berliner Philharmonisches Orchestra, die Philharmonie. The oldest of Berlin's universities were given this new name in 1949, die Humboldt-Universität. 17th century palace castle. Oh no, that has to be the Schloss Charlottenburg. 17th century palace, yeah. West Berlin's most distinguished boulevard. Alexanderplatz. Oh, is that a boulevard? I've been there. Die Kurfürstendamm, what's that? Square, oh there we are, a square giving its name to a novel, got its name from a Russian Tsar, Alexanderplatz. I literally stayed in Alexanderplatz, my hotel was there. Contains a magnificent collection of antiquities, that has to be the Bergman Museum. A rebuilt version of the Princess's Palace near an opera house and open for refreshments. I'm not sure which one that one is. Open cafe, maybe. Oh yeah, opera, as in the opera. Okay, let me know if I got them right in the comment section. Drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you again really soon for more learning German.